Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Lumex Walker is probably one of the most essential mobility aids available today, offering a blend of stability, safety, and ease of use for individuals seeking to maintain their independence and confidence while navigating their homes or venturing outdoors. This particular model stands out for its robust construction and thoughtful design, aiming to provide unparalleled support and comfort for a wide range of users, ensuring that every step taken is a secure and assured one. Number 5. Lumex ColorSelect Rolling Walker. Experience the freedom to move with confidence and style. This lightweight yet sturdy walker supports up to 300 pounds and is available in 7 vibrant colors, ensuring you feel secure and fashionable. Traveling or storing it is a breeze thanks to its quick lock folding mechanism. It folds flat to just 4 inches, making it ideal for compact storage and easy transport. Navigate any surface with ease. Its ergonomic hand grips and 5-inch wheels offer a smooth and comfortable experience over carpet, tile, or wood, reducing fatigue. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's easy to lift and maneuver. You can rely on its solid support for enhanced balance and stability. Make it uniquely yours by adding accessories. Personalize it with trays, lights, bags, or cup holders to perfectly suit your needs and lifestyle. What we like. If you want to add a touch of personal style to your mobility aid, this one comes in 7 vibrant metallic colors. It also folds incredibly flat, making it perfect for travel or storage in tight spaces. If you prioritize both aesthetics and convenience, you should consider this option. What people say. It's lightweight, yet sturdy. It was really easy to assemble and adjust the height. The push button is easy to push to close up the walker for me. The walker is very sturdy and rolls smoothly. Number 4. Lumex Walkabout Junior Rollator. This rollator is designed for smaller adults and seniors. It features adjustable hand grips and a comfortable seat height, ensuring a perfect fit for petite users. Weighing only 11.5 pounds and measuring 20 inches wide, this compact rollator easily navigates narrow doorways and tight spaces. It's ideal for use at home, while traveling, or even on cruise ships. The large hand grips make applying the brakes effortless. For added safety, it includes a lock-in-place feature to prevent accidental rolling, giving you peace of mind. Its sturdy frame and 6-inch wheels ensure smooth rolling over various surfaces, both indoors and outdoors. You can rely on its stability without compromising maneuverability. Enjoy a comfortable rest on the padded seat with a curved backrest. The convenient under-seat basket is perfect for storing your personal items while you're on the move. What we like. This is specifically designed for petite users, offering adjustable hand grips and a lower seat height for a perfect fit. Its narrow and compact design makes it ideal for navigating tight spaces like doorways or small rooms. If you are a smaller individual looking for a maneuverable and safe rollator, this is a great choice. What people say. This walker is so much more suited to her size and height, and it fits through the bathroom door. She loves it and is more secure and stable. I'd recommend this walker 100% for anyone with a smaller stature, or has to maneuver in tight spaces. This walker is perfect for a smaller person. It is slimmer in width and fits easier in the doorway. It rolls easily and is lightweight. The Lumex RJ4301 or Walkabout Lite Junior Rollator, Burgundy does exactly what I needed to do, give me back my independence to quickly get into the bathroom and out again. The overall construction is strong and sturdy, built to last. This is a good walker for petite people. Number 3. Lumex 3-Wheel Cruiser. Discover the Lumex 3-Wheel Cruiser, designed for effortless mobility. Its lightweight and narrow design makes navigating any space a breeze. This walker is ideal for seniors seeking independence and ease of movement. Enjoy enhanced stability and comfort with every step you take. Experience unparalleled maneuverability in confined areas. Its compact frame allows you to move freely through narrow hallways and doorways. Weighing very little, it's easy to lift and transport. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring support is always within reach. Built with quality materials, it offers dependable support for daily use. Rely on it for consistent performance and peace of mind. Upgrade your mobility and regain confidence in your daily activities. The Lumex 3-Wheel Cruiser is your partner for a more active life. What we like. This three-wheel walker is exceptionally lightweight and narrow, making it incredibly easy to maneuver through tight spaces. Its three-wheel design offers a different kind of agility. If you need a highly portable and nimble walker for navigating crowded areas or small homes, this could be the one for you. What people say. The three-wheeled walker is so convenient size-wise, easy to maneuver, easily folds in for tight places and is lightweight. Glides smoothly. Fits into narrower spaces. Lightweight, folds easily and easy to put in car, even behind the front seat. It's lightweight and I just fold it and put it in the car trunk and take it into the stores as I shop. Takes all of my weight when walking. Very sturdy with large wheels. Number 2. Lumex Walkabout Lite Rollator Aqua. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, this rollator is incredibly light. It's designed for effortless lifting, steering, and folding, making it perfect for storage or travel. Its compact design, measuring just 27.5 inches wide, allows for easy navigation. You can effortlessly move through narrow doorways, crowded rooms, and busy sidewalks. With adjustable hand grips ranging from 32 to 37 inches and a seat height of 22.5 inches, it's an excellent fit for shorter adults and seniors. Enjoy a comfortable and personalized experience. Experience smooth mobility with its large, solid rubber wheels that glide easily on various surfaces. The locking handbrakes ensure you have added control and safety whenever you need it. Take a break on the cushioned seat, measuring 14 by 13.5 inches. The supportive backrest provides comfort, and the lightweight frame folds quickly for convenient transport. What we like. Weighing in at just 14.5 pounds, this is one of the lightest rollators available, making it exceptionally easy to handle. Its compact frame is perfect for maneuvering through narrow doorways and busy sidewalks. If you are looking for a lightweight option that is also comfortable for shorter individuals, this rollator is an excellent contender. What people say. Sturdy, rolls beautifully, seat is okay comfy, wheels are a light gray color, locking brakes work great, light enough to handle, 14 pounds. It rolls very smoothly, has a wide seat and great back support. It has hand brakes both for walking and locking, so when you sit down it will not move. The handles are easy to grasp and have a slight texture for your grip. The basket is a good size, 16 by 10 by 5, and has a ridge in the middle, so if you put rolling items in, they won't roll side to side. Number 1. Lumex HybridLX 2-in-1 Rollator Wheelchair. Introducing the Lumex HybridLX, the ultimate mobility solution. Seamlessly switch between walking with a rollator and riding in a transport chair, giving you complete freedom. Despite weighing only 22 pounds, this device offers exceptional support, holding up to 300 pounds. Its robust aluminum frame and spacious seat ensure comfort throughout your day. Convert it from a rollator to a transport chair in mere seconds. The removable footrests and convenient pull-up strap make folding and storage incredibly simple. Experience superior comfort with ergonomic hand grips and a soft, padded backrest. Reliable handbrakes provide secure stopping and parking, giving you peace of mind. Designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures, this versatile aid simplifies travel, errands, and daily activities. It's the ideal choice for adults and seniors seeking enhanced mobility. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative 2-in-1 design. It's a folding mobility aid that offers both a seat and transport chair function for ultimate convenience. What we like. This is a unique 2-in-1 mobility aid that functions as both a rollator and a transport chair, offering incredible versatility. It transforms in seconds, allowing you to switch between walking and riding as needed. If you desire the flexibility to walk when you feel able and ride when you need a rest, this hybrid option is ideal for you. What people say. The Lumex Walker is a sturdy and reliable mobility aid, providing excellent support and stability for users. Its adjustable height feature allows for a customized fit, ensuring comfort and proper posture. The ergonomic hand grips are designed for a comfortable and secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.